Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You want chat visible now, so start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed in, your stream allows chat, and your connection is stable. Once done, force a hard reload with Ctrl+Shift+R or reopen the YouTube app to clear transient glitches. If you use an extension-enabled browser, open an incognito window to test chat quickly. Also make sure you're viewing the live stream with the correct channel and not a replay. Replays can have chat disabled. These steps remove the most common early blockers fast. Next, tackle mid-level causes by inspecting browser and account settings. Disable ad blockers and privacy extensions or whitelist YouTube because they often block WebSocket connections chat uses. Clear cache and cookies or update the YouTube app to the latest version, then restart. In YouTube Studio, confirm live chat is enabled and that you haven't set slow mode, subscriber only, or excessive filters that hide messages. Finally, test another browser or device to isolate whether the issue is local or account/server side. To finish, address network and device level issues. Restart your router or modem, and if possible, switch to a cellular hotspot to rule out ISP filtering. Make sure the device's date/time is correct and that any firewall or antivirus isn't blocking WebSocket or port traffic. If chat still fails, use the YouTube mobile app or another device as a temporary fallback. If nothing works, report the problem to YouTube with exact timestamps, device info, and a short screen recording so they can trace server-side errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.